Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just about financial freedom for yourself, it's about creating wealth that can be passed down to future generations. Building generational wealth means setting up a foundation that allows your children, grandchildren, and even great-grandchildren to benefit from your hard work and financial knowledge. Think of it like planting a tree that provides shade and fruit for generations to come. You're not just building wealth, you're building a legacy. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or flashy investments. Generational wealth requires planning, discipline, and the right strategies. Much like building a successful business, it's about making smart, consistent choices today that will pay off exponentially down the road. It's about delayed gratification and understanding the power of compounding over time. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 powerful steps to help you create a financial legacy that lasts for generations. We'll cover everything from real estate and stocks to trusts and financial literacy. These are the strategies I've used myself, and I've seen firsthand how powerful they can be. Stay until the end, as we'll share a bonus strategy on how to educate the next generation about money management. Let's get started. Building generational wealth starts with a clear vision. Think about it. What does wealth truly mean to you? Is it providing for your children's education, creating a family business that thrives for decades, or simply giving future generations a head start in life, free from the financial burdens you may have faced? Defining these goals is the first crucial step. Imagine building a house without a blueprint. Chaos, right? Your financial goals are your blueprint for generational wealth. They'll guide your decisions, keep you focused, and motivate you when things get tough. Because let's be real, the journey to financial freedom isn't always easy. Think about the legacy you want to leave behind. What values do you want to instill in your family? Do you want to be remembered for your generosity, your business acumen, or your commitment to education? These values will shape your financial decisions and help you create a plan that aligns with your overall vision. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, this sounds complicated. It doesn't have to be. Start small, write down your goals, be specific. Instead of saying I want to be rich, say I want to have a net worth of $1 million by age 50. The more specific you are, the more actionable your goals become. Once you've defined your goals, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process less daunting and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, building generational wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. So take some time to reflect on your values and aspirations. What kind of legacy do you want to create? Write it down, visualize it, and let it be the driving force behind your financial journey. This is the foundation upon which you'll build your empire. Before you start thinking about investments and trusts, you need a solid foundation. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, would you? You'd start with a strong foundation. And in the world of personal finance, that foundation is your emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's the money you set aside to cover unexpected expenses like a job loss, a medical emergency, or a car repair. Without an emergency fund, these unexpected events can derail your entire financial plan. Imagine this. You're diligently investing in the stock market, building your portfolio, and then bam, your car breaks down. Without an emergency fund, you're forced to sell your investments at a loss, setting back your progress. Most experts recommend having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's worth it. It's the peace of mind knowing that you can weather any financial storm. Where should you keep your emergency fund? A high-yield savings account is a good option. You want it to be easily accessible, but you don't need it to earn a huge return. The primary goal is preservation of capital. Building an emergency fund takes discipline. It requires prioritizing saving over spending. But remember, this is a crucial step in building generational wealth. It's the foundation upon which you'll build your financial future. Let's talk about real estate, specifically home ownership. For many families, owning a home is the first major step towards building generational wealth. It's a tangible asset that can appreciate over time and provide a sense of stability. Think about it. A home is more than just 4 walls and a roof. It's a place where memories are made, families grow, and legacies begin. It's a foundation, both literally and figuratively. Now, I'm not saying you need to buy a mansion. Start with what you can afford. A smaller home in a good neighborhood is a much better investment than a larger home in a less desirable area. Remember, location, location, location. Beyond your primary residence, consider investment properties. Rental properties can generate passive income, which can be used to further build your wealth. This income stream can be passed down to future generations, creating a lasting legacy. Real estate also offers tax advantages. Mortgage interest and property taxes are often deductible, reducing your tax burden. And when you eventually sell your property, you may be able to exclude a portion of the capital gains from taxes. Of course, real estate is not without its risks. Property values can fluctuate, and there are maintenance costs to consider. But over the long term, real estate has proven to be a powerful wealth-building tool. So, if you're serious about building generational wealth, homeownership should be a top priority. It's a cornerstone of a secure financial future. Chapter 4. Investing in the stock market. The power of compounding. Now let's talk about another powerful wealth-building tool, the stock market. While savings accounts offer safety, they don't provide the growth necessary for building generational wealth. Inflation eats away at your purchasing power, leaving you with less real wealth over time. The stock market, on the other hand, offers the potential for much higher returns. By investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, index funds, or ETFs, you can harness the power of compounding. Compounding is like magic. It's the process of earning interest on your interest, leading to exponential growth over time. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it gathers more snow, it grows larger and larger, gaining momentum. That's the power of compounding. Now I know the stock market can seem intimidating, there's risk involved. But over the long term, the stock market has consistently delivered positive returns. The key is to be patient and disciplined. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Ride out the lows and enjoy the highs. Start with a simple, low-cost index fund that tracks the S&P 500. This gives you instant diversification and exposure to the largest companies in the US. As you become more comfortable, you can explore other investment options. Consider tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs and 401ks. These accounts offer tax benefits that can significantly boost your returns over time. With a Roth IRA, your contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. So, if you're looking to build generational wealth, investing in the stock market is essential. It's the engine that will drive your portfolio's growth over the long term. Chapter 5. Trusts, protecting and transferring your wealth. As you build your wealth, it's crucial to protect it, and one of the most effective ways to do that is through trusts. Trusts are legal entities that hold and manage assets for the benefit of beneficiaries. Think of a trust as a safe haven for your wealth. It protects your assets from creditors, lawsuits, and even potential mismanagement by beneficiaries. It's like having a financial bodyguard. There are different types of trusts, each with its own advantages. A revocable living trust allows you to maintain control over your assets during your lifetime, while an irrevocable trust offers greater asset protection. Trusts can also help minimize estate taxes. By transferring assets into a trust, you can reduce the size of your taxable estate, leaving more for your beneficiaries. Estate taxes can be significant, so proper planning is crucial. Another benefit of trusts is that they provide a controlled way to distribute your assets. You can specify exactly how and when your beneficiaries receive their inheritance. This can be particularly important if you have young children or beneficiaries with special needs. Setting up a trust can seem complex, but it's well worth the effort. It's a powerful tool for protecting and transferring your wealth to future generations. Consult with an estate planning attorney to determine the best type of trust for your situation. Think of it like writing a will, but even better. A trust ensures your wishes are carried out exactly as you intend, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Chapter 6. Building a family business or investment portfolio. Sharing the wealth building. Generational wealth isn't just about accumulating assets, it's also about sharing knowledge and opportunity. A family business or investment portfolio can be a powerful way to do both. A family business can create jobs, provide valuable experience, and foster a sense of shared purpose. It's a tangible legacy that can be passed down through generations. Imagine building a company that not only generates income but also teaches valuable life lessons and strengthens family bonds. Alternatively, a family investment portfolio allows everyone to participate in wealth building. It's a hands-on way to learn about investing, financial markets, and the power of compounding. Family members can contribute to the portfolio, research investment opportunities, and make decisions together. This shared experience fosters financial literacy and strengthens the wealth-building mindset within the family. It's not just about the money, it's about the education and the shared journey. Think of it like a family project, but with real financial stakes. It's an opportunity to learn, grow, and build something together. Whether you choose a family business or an investment portfolio, the key is to involve everyone and encourage open communication. This creates a sense of ownership and responsibility, ensuring the legacy continues for generations to come. So consider creating a platform for shared financial growth within your family. It's an investment not just in their financial future, but in their personal development as well. Chapter 7. Investing in Education. Empowering Future Generations. Education is one of the most valuable gifts you can give to future generations. It's an investment that pays dividends for a lifetime. Whether it's formal education, vocational training, or financial literacy, education empowers individuals to achieve their full potential. Think about it. A good education opens doors to better job opportunities, higher earning potential, and a greater understanding of the world. It's the key to unlocking a brighter future. Start early. Open a 529 plan for your children or grandchildren. These tax-advantaged accounts allow you to save for qualified education expenses, such as tuition, fees, and books. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. But education isn't just about college degrees. Vocational training can provide valuable skills that lead to high-paying jobs in trades and other industries. Encourage your family to explore different career paths and pursue their passions. Financial literacy is equally important. Teach your family about budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. These skills are essential for navigating the complexities of the financial world and building a secure future. Consider mentoring your family members or introducing them to personal finance resources. Share your own experiences, both successes and mistakes. The more knowledge they have, the better equipped they'll be to make informed financial decisions. So, prioritize education in your generational wealth plan. It's an investment that will empower future generations to achieve their dreams and build their own financial legacies. Chapter 8. Financial literacy is the bedrock of generational wealth. It's the knowledge and skills that empower individuals to manage their money effectively, make informed decisions, and build a secure financial future. Think of financial literacy as a superpower. It gives you the ability to control your finances, avoid costly mistakes, and achieve your financial goals. Without it, you're at the mercy of financial predators and bad advice. Start early. Make financial discussions a regular part of family life. Talk about budgeting, saving, investing, and the importance of avoiding debt. The earlier these conversations begin, the more natural they become. Share your own experiences, both good and bad. Talk about your financial successes and the mistakes you've made along the way. These real-life examples make the lessons more relatable and impactful. Consider playing financial games with your family or watching documentaries about personal finance. There are many fun and engaging ways to learn about money management. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are countless resources available, including financial advisors, books, websites, and online courses. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Financial literacy is not just about knowing the numbers, it's about developing a healthy relationship with money. It's about understanding the power of compounding, the importance of delayed gratification, and the value of long-term planning. Chapter 9. We've talked about building wealth, but what about protecting it? Insurance is a crucial part of any generational wealth plan. It's the safety net that protects your assets from unexpected events that could jeopardize your financial legacy. Think of insurance as a financial firewall. It shields your wealth from the flames of unforeseen circumstances, allowing your legacy to endure. Life insurance is essential, especially if you have dependents. It provides a financial safety net for your family in the event of your death. The death benefit can be used to replace lost income, pay off debts, and fund future expenses. Health insurance protects you from the potentially devastating costs of medical care. A major illness or injury can quickly wipe out a lifetime of savings. Health insurance provides a crucial buffer against these expenses. Property insurance protects your home and other assets from damage or loss due to fire, theft, or natural disasters. This is especially important for homeowners, as their home is often their most valuable asset. Disability insurance provides income replacement if you become unable to work due to illness or injury. This can be a lifeline for families who rely on your income. Long-term care insurance covers the costs of long-term care services, such as nursing homes or assisted living facilities. These costs can be exorbitant, so long-term care insurance can help protect your assets. Don't underestimate the importance of insurance. It's a crucial part of any comprehensive financial plan. It's the safety net that allows you to build wealth with confidence knowing that your legacy is protected. Chapter 10. Estate planning is often overlooked, but it's a critical component of building generational wealth. It's the process of planning for the distribution of your assets after your death. Think of estate planning as writing the final chapter of your financial story. It's about ensuring that your wealth is transferred to your beneficiaries as efficiently and effectively as possible. A will is the foundation of any estate plan. It outlines your wishes regarding the distribution of your assets. Without a will, your assets will be distributed according to state law, which may not align with your intentions. Trusts, as we discussed earlier, are powerful estate planning tools. They can help minimize estate taxes, protect assets from creditors, and provide a controlled way to distribute your wealth. Gifting is another tax-efficient way to transfer assets during your lifetime. You can gift a certain amount each year to each beneficiary without incurring gift taxes. This can be a smart way to reduce the size of your taxable estate. Charitable giving can also be part of your estate plan. You can designate a portion of your assets to be donated to charities you care about. This can provide tax benefits while supporting causes you believe in. Consult with an estate planning attorney to create a plan that meets your specific needs. They can help you navigate the complexities of estate law and ensure that your wishes are carried out. Estate planning is not just about death. It's about ensuring that your legacy continues for generations to come. It's about providing a smooth transition of wealth and securing the financial future of your loved ones. Building generational wealth is about more than just money. It's about creating a lasting legacy. It's about planting a seed today that will grow into a mighty oak for generations to come. By following these 10 strategies, you're not only working toward financial freedom for yourself, but also setting up future generations for success. Whether it's through property, investments, financial education, or trust planning, each step brings you closer to creating a wealth-building foundation that lasts. It's a journey, not a destination, and every smart decision you make along the way brings you closer to your goal. Which of these steps resonates most with you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more strategies from your finance lab. Remember, generational wealth is built intentionally, one smart decision at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.